So this is the double Clubbell side flag press. So you'll need 2 Clubbells. Going to begin in the order position. So the order position is just your forearm is 90 degrees and your elbow is pinned to your side. You're going to externally rotate the Clubbells, again keeping your elbows pinned at your side. Take a big deep breath, and then we're going to press out laterally until our hands are about shoulder height. Straightening out the triceps, and then we're going to control the Clubbells back into our side, so our elbows again pinned at our sides. So big deep breath, exhale, push out, keep the Clubbells balanced, and then pull through your elbows, pulling it back into your side. That's 2 reps. We'll do maybe 1 more. Big deep breath. And you may want to squeeze your glutes just to provide a little bit more stability. So this is a good exercise because there's not a lot of shoulder exercises where you're training your shoulders in the frontal plane. You can only think of maybe like a dumbbell lateral raise, cable lateral raise, or even a machine. So just using the Clubbells is a pretty cool way of training your shoulders in the frontal plane.